Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. So today we ordered Babur samosa and they were so yummy that we wanted to tell you about it as well. So you can see the number on the box. You can contact them and have a home delivery, or you can either go to their shop and have the meal there. So as you can see, we ordered a whole package and it came with 7 to 8 chutneys and chickpea curry with salad. So you can actually make a samosa chaat. So this package came with 7 different type of chutneys. As you can see, there is a yogurt chutney, there's a mango chutney, imli chutney, aloo bukhara chutney, ketchup and pudina chutney. Each of the chutney that came with this pack has a unique taste and they're absolutely yummy. You must try it. The chickpea curry is absolutely finger licking as well because it has a bit of spice in it, just the perfect amount. So the shop actually sells fresh samosas. When you get them, they're really hot and fresh. Here we ordered about a dozen samosas, but of course you can order more if you want. The samosas were hot, crispy on the outside, and they were just delicious. To home delivery, they actually deliver to your house within 25 to 30 minutes. So as you can see, the samosas are absolutely crispy and the filling inside is hot, and most of all, they're fresh. I'm gonna show you one of the ways you can serve this package, and it's the samosa chaat. So you can put the samosas on the plate, put some chickpea curry on it, and you can put all the different kind of chutneys on top. It absolutely tastes delicious, finger licking good. In the samosa chaat, you actually get the sweetness of the mango chutney, and then you get the sourness of the imli chutney, and together it all tastes so good. Last but not least, you can sprinkle a bit of the salad that they give with it on top, and that will do it. I really recommend that you also try it. It's absolutely delicious. Please like and subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below.